Hello and welcome to your class of economics. Now today we are going to study with a new topic, that is nominal GDP. So let's begin with the class. Okay. See, nominal GDP, what it is. It refers to GDP at current price, means what is the price prevailing at the current year. Okay, means for every year it is. So market value of the goods and services produced in the country during an accounting year. Suppose the whatever we consider the current year. Okay, so like today, this year will be 20 and 21 year. Okay, means 2020 to 2021. Then current year price means price prevailing the year during the at the time of estimation. So these things to be there when we are studying nominal GDP. So now you see the formula of nominal GDP is how to calculate is Q into P, that is nominal GDP. Okay, now see here Q and P. Q refers to the quantity and P refers to the price prevailing during the year of estimation. So these things to be there. Now see, when we study these things, here both are not constant. Suppose if GDP fluctuates due to the quantity, here then we will say the output has increased, means total number of output which is produced during the year has increased to more number, means earlier that was something else, now today is something else, more than that. So we will say that the GDP is here increased because of the quantity, not because of the price. But when price, then this Q is constant, then we say price is fluctuating, means here price is increasing. Then in that case we will say monetary fluctuations to be there. Okay, because of monetary fluctuations there is increase in GDP, so that is monetary term. Okay, so that is very less, or it is for very for a small period of time, or you can say it is very for a small number of time it is there, it happens. Okay, but the main thing is that you need to understand when quantity is increased here, means we say the output has increased. Okay, means output for goods and services which is produced within the country, that has increased. But when the price is prevailing, we say the general price level has increased. Okay, so that because of that fluctuation, that is not very effective. But this one is quantity one has got the more effect on it. Okay, so now here we have the formula for nominal GDP, how to calculate, that is quantity into price. See, the quantity means here quantity of the final goods and services produced during the accounting year. Then P here means price prevailing during the accounting year. So we can say we can say in the economy that nominal GDP can increase either by Q or P. If Q increases, it means goods and services has increased, and if P increases, means prices have increased, means here monetary terms to be taken. Okay, monetary term has taken place here, so it is of very less effect. So means here you can understand by this the general price level has increased here, because of that which nominal GDP has increased. Now we move to real GDP now. So real GDP, that real GDP is also called as GDP at constant price. Then market value of goods and services produced within the country, means domestic territory, within the domestic territory of the country during the accounting year by using the base year price. Okay, the base year price means here it is the year of comparison. Okay, with which year we are going to compare, that year will be taken as to be the comparison year. So here this GDP, the formula for real GDP calculation is, now that means quantity is fluctuating here and P is what? Constant. Okay, so price will be constant because here GDP to be calculated at the constant price, and that quantity will be fluctuating, means it may increase or decrease. So most probably we want to increase it only, but it is fluctuating, so we cannot say it is not fixed here, it is variable. So please try to understand this, that price will remain constant and Q will increase or decrease. So real GDP, see, the formula for calculating real GDP is Q into P. here P asterisk means P is constant. Now Q keeps on fluctuating, means here the quantity of goods and services which is produced during an accounting year may increase. Okay, so here quantity of goods, Q here represent quantity of final goods and services produced during the accounting year, and P here means price prevailing during the base year. You need to understand this base year. Okay, when you are calculating this nominal year, nominal GDP, in that the price prevailing during the current year it is, and when you are calculating real GDP, it is the price prevailing during the year of comparison, means that is base year. Okay, so you need to understand this. One more thing, it is very important. See, when real GDP increases, there must be increase in flow of goods and services. But when nominal GDP is increasing, there may or may not be increase in flow of goods and services. Why? Because they are both are not constant. Even Q is also, quantity is also not constant of flow and goods and services, and their price is also not constant. So there may be possible when nominal GDP increases, then it may be possible the flow of goods and services may or may not rise. But in real GDP, it is very constant, or it is very must it is there that the production of, or you can say the flow of goods and services must rise. Okay. Now one thing more with this, that higher the level of real GDP means more availability of goods and services. Means, as you can say that as much as real GDP will rise, means there will be more availability of goods and services to be there, and you can understand by that the means standard of people, those who are living in the country, will increase. Okay, because real GDP here rises up, because that is means more availability of goods and services. Okay. So whenever Q rises, means here standard of in real GDP, because of real GDP, then you can understand the standard of the people or the country is rising up. Okay. Now we see and understand the conversion of nominal GDP to real GDP. See, nominal means you can say nominal GDP to GDP. Other name is your current price, GDP at current price, and real GDP other name is GDP at constant price. So here when we convert into nominal GDP into real GDP, then GDP at current price, okay, upon the price index of the current year, of that year only, okay, of this year, current year only, we will be taking, and the base year index is, price index is 100 always. Okay, that you need to understand. It is, you need to remember that this is the base year price in price of the price index of the base year. Okay, so you need to understand these things. So this is how you calculate this nominal GDP into real GDP. This is the formula, you need to understand this. So you can also understand by this GDP at current price, one thing, then price index of the current year, then price index of the base year, that is always 100. Okay, that is always 100. So that 100 has been taken from there. So you can, with this formula, you can convert that nominal GDP into real GDP. So that is all for today. Then we will meet up in next class. Till then, thank you.